Hi there, welcome to Motive. And we're delighted that you decided to try Motive for free for 30 days. And I'm going to show you today how you can install it on your Shopify App Store. So it's really easy. All you have to do is go to the App Store and simply search for Motive. As you can see, when you search for it here, it's one of the first results. So Motive Privacy Minded Search. Go ahead and click on it. You can see here that on the top right hand side, there'll be a wee icon with your name. And if you've got lots of stores and maybe you want to choose which one to test it on, just go ahead and choose whichever one it is that you want to do the trial on. Then click install. That little button on the left there, it will take you to the Shopify backend where you can confirm that you want to go ahead and install. Just click on the black button at the bottom, install. And then it will go ahead and take you onto our website. So you've got your company name there. You've got to tell us a wee bit more about you. So what it is that you guys sell. Here we've got entertainment, games and sports. And then after that, we will attract your catalog. So what that is that we're going through your products, making sure that everything is connected really nicely with the search. It shouldn't take very long at all, just a few seconds. And then once that's done, you'll be able to go ahead with the fun bit, which is enable the search layer. So this screen is actually your Playboard here. You'll be able to log into this anytime and mess around with it to get it exactly how you want it to be. When you click enable search layer, it will take you to your test site here on Shopify, where you can go and click that toggle on the left, which will activate the search. And then once you save it, you'll be able to see exactly what Motive looks like. So if you're looking for that carousel of popular products, it will generate in 24 hours. No need to worry. But again, lovely to meet you. My name's Anna, and I hope to hear from you in the future. Bye for now.